Do you want to know how you can enable stealth mode on Discord using your Midjourney bot? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use stealth mode on Midjourney. Go ahead and open Discord, open the Midjourney bot over here, and what you need to do is type in /private. You can see that this will toggle stealth mode. You must also know that you must have a paid account to use this function. So if it is not private or if it is not paid, you can see that you cannot access private mode. So what you need to do to access the private mode is subscribe, and then you can access the private mode. Go ahead and type in private, and you can see that a private option will turn on and nobody will see your data. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.